Welcome to Zafeera Computer Store, your trusted destination for high-quality computer parts, accessories, and peripherals. We offer a wide selection of GPUs and motherboards from trusted brands such as MSI, Ramsta, and Gigabyte. We offer reliable power supplies from 500 to 1000 watts, built to keep your PC running strong and stable. We offer a variety of processors from both AMD and Intel. We also offer quality headsets and computer mouse. Zafeera offers both mechanical and membrane keyboards from brands such as A4Tech, Fantech, Logitech, Corsair, Bloody A4Tech, X-Strike Me, InPlay, and Red Dragon. We also sell UPS units, providing instant battery backup power to protect your computers. We offer CPU coolers, including both air and liquid cooling solutions. We also sell mouse pads and printer inks. We provide routers, CCTV cameras, and CCTV installation services. We also sell monitor brackets to enhance your PC setup. Zafeera offers a variety of RAM options for your system. We also offer flash drives and SD cards for your storage needs. We offer hard disk drives, DVD burners, and a data storage products. Zafeera provides different types of SSDs including 2.5-inch, SATA, M.2, and NVMe, as well as laptop RAM. We offer a range of PC monitors with refresh rates from 60Hz up to 240Hz. We also carry VGA, HDMI, cable tester, crimping tool, audio splitters, and essential connectors for fast, clear, and seamless connection. We also provide PC casing from brands such as InPlay, MSI, PowerLogic, and Fantech. Zafeera also specializes in PC building and professional repair services for computers, laptops, and printers. At Zafeera Computer Store, we don't just sell tech. We help you build your future. Visit us today and let's power up your setup.